Ain't nothing wrong with a little variation talk to start your day. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave those questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So I have been comparing these two dispensers, and I notice, alright, some of the print, very minor difference, but it may be worn there. This mold mark is correct, that mold mark is correct. When I turn them like this, though, I notice this mold mark matches, this mold mark matches. Candy pushers are very similar. Thumb tab inside where it's connected to the sleeve. Oh, wait a minute. Look down here. There are differences in the ears. So this one right here on the left has very thin, pointy ears. And this one on the right has a lot thicker, chubbier ears, a little stubbier. And so when you look at them, like so, you can see the different molding areas, I guess. But yes, they definitely did use two different molds when they made this dispenser. This one here, smaller ears, and that one there with your bigger ears. So here's another variation for you to add to your collection. Very cool. Thanks for letting me know about this one. So until next time.